I want to teach you how you can actually make this oil. So I'll be showing you how I made the oil. Watch the video to the end so that you don't miss out on any part. The next tutorial I'll be doing on this channel is for the oil I will make for myself. So the oil I'll make for myself, I'll be adding some lightening ingredients, which are natural lightening ingredients as per my job, my profession. So I want to make this oil on ground for myself, because trust me, I've not been applying any skincare product because the heat lately, Jesus. The only thing I've been using that I know that is a good product or is a skincare product I've been using is my body wash, because the body wash is actually an exfoliating brightening body wash. So that is what I've been using, and after I have my bath, I just towel my body or towel dry and just put on my clothes. I don't dare try to cream my body. I tried that once and I regretted that. So let me show you guys how you can actually make this oil. So I'm actually using my crock pot. I'm using crock pot. They call it slow cooker. If you don't have crock pot, don't worry, I will show you another method that you can actually use to infuse your herb or make this oil. So let's start. And again, please note, I'm supposed to put on my hand glove. I forgot my hand glove in my factory. I'm in my house, I'm not in my office, so my hand is washed and sterilized. Like, just wash your hand and put hand sanitizer, but normally you're supposed to put on hand glove. Okay, here's my crock pot. I'll be adding in my herbs into my pots. So this is my chamomile herb. Okay, this actually helps to soothe the skin. It soothes and calm skin irritation, and it also adds this fragrance to your skincare product, because chamomile smells nice. And again, another thing for chamomile is that you can actually infuse chamomile and drink. It helps to relieve you from stress, help to you know, calm your body, calm your nerves, and you're going to sleep well. So I'm actually adding this into my oil, into my glow oil. I'll be infusing this herb actually. So the next herb I'll be adding here is my lavender bud. Lavender bud to help to soothe and calm irritated skin. These herbs are very good for baby skin, so I carefully selected those herbs, and this is how lavender bud look like, in case you don't know. I sieved it just to make sure that I removed every unnecessary chaff. So next I'll be adding in my camwood. Yeah, camwood is very, very good for baby skin, adult skin, any skin. Like, they call camwood in Yoruba, they call it osun, and that is one main ingredient you see in dudu osun. Your dudu osun soap, yeah, is camwood. So I'm adding in my camwood into my oil. So this camwood is going to help smoothen out the skin, clear out every upcoming or every irritation, skin irritation that may want to arise. So next I'm adding in my licorice root powder, and here's my licorice root powder. I'm going to be dropping contact to where you can get all these ingredients in the description box, so check the description box below so you can make this oil for yourself. You're going to love it, trust me. Argan oil is good on baby skin, on adult skin. It can be used on the hair, and it can be used on the body. Okay, on the hair and body. So I'm actually weighing out everything just with scale. You need scale to weigh out all this, and here is the mixture. So here is the mixture. Like, can you see? This is my oil mixture. So I'm going to infuse this. I'll be putting up on the screen another method to infuse. So after I've infused these herbs with this oil together, I still have 2 more ingredients. Stay tuned and watch the video to the end.
3 hours later.
So this is the oil, okay? This is the oil. So the oil is very, very infused right now. So I'm going to sieve out this oil. Just get a sieve that will sieve the oil properly so that there will not be any grains in your oil. For me, I'm actually using one of my chiffon material because I'm not in my office. I have a cheesecloth I use in sieving out my infused oil. So I washed the chiffon material and I sterilize it with alcohol. So this is the alcohol I sterilize the cloth with after I've washed the clothes and the cloth is dry. This is what I'm using to sieve. I wash this clothes and I sun dry it, then I sterilize it too. So I'm just going to pour in my herbs here, or my oil here. So this is the oil. Looking at this oil, you will see that this oil is infused. Like this is an infused herbal oil. Can you see how rich this oil is? I'll be adding more ingredients here. So this is my vitamin E oil. Please, for this oil, is because I'm a skincare formulator, that's why I have the raw vitamin E. They wrote D-alpha tocopherol, but this is actually the raw vitamin E. But for the fact that this video, I'm doing this video on my vlogging channel, and most of you here, you don't know anything about skincare, please just go and get vitamin E capsule from pharmacy. So on your scale, I'll just add 2.5 gram of your vitamin E. The next oil I'm using is sea buckthorn oil. This oil actually looks like a palm oil. Okay, this is a sea buckthorn oil. So I'll be dropping the link to where you can get most of this ingredients in case you want to make this oil yourself. But trust me, you can use this oil, your children can use this oil from 0 months to whatever age, to adults. You can use this oil. Just get small scale. We have scale they sell for 2,500 naira. So we have cheaper scale, so please, on your scale, do this on your scale. So I'll be dropping this. Like, can you see the color? It actually looks like a palm oil. So I need 10 gram of this. Like instantly, can you see the color of this oil? So this oil can be used on baby skin, on children's skin, and even adults can use this oil. This oil will glow the skin, it will repair the skin, it will calm and soothe rashes. If you are using this oil on your baby's skin, your baby cannot have rashes, your children cannot have rashes, because this oil is herbally infused. This is herb itself. This is herb infused in oil. So you can try out this oil for yourself. Trust me, you're going to love this oil. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Just check out for the measurement and the name of all the ingredients I use on the screen, because I listed them on the screen. So check them out. Get a scale. We have scale they sell, smaller scale they sell for 2,500 naira. Please get a scale. I really want you to try out this oil. Like, if you're pregnant, make this oil for your baby. One I actually made is for my baby, my unborn child, and trust me, I've made this oil for a client before, and our baby skin is wow. Like, our baby skin is glowing, no rashes, no skin problem, because those herbs, they actually helps to, you know, calm and soothe the skin. They have their own benefits, what they do to baby skin or to your own skin, as long as you don't want to bleach your baby skin. Because I know some women have this mentality of bleaching their baby skin. Some women will go and buy Fumbacte, Skinil, and start mixing with Ori, thinking they are doing their baby good. No, you're not doing your baby good. You're cleaning your child's skin. So please, stop mixing Fumbacte and Ori, or stop mixing tube cream and Ori for your baby. Just instead of that, get any of this oil and infuse. Even if you don't want to infuse, you can buy only argan oil and apply on your baby's skin. You can apply jojoba oil. They call it ohoba, but I'm calling it jojoba here because I know that most of you will not understand me. Okay, if you don't have money to buy baby skincare products, of course, why I don't want to buy any of this baby skincare product like Johnson and others is because they react on my child's skin. So that's why I am making my own baby oil. That's why I didn't bother to buy baby oil except for soap. I bought soap, which is Tetnoso soap, but I did not buy any oil or any cream. Okay, that's why I made this oil, and you can try it out. And again, I will not be applying this oil on my baby's hair. It's not because it is bad, but because I want the oil to really last for a longer period. So I'll be using only argan oil. Remember, I use argan oil to infuse those heads, so I'll be pouring out argan oil separately in another container. So I'll be using the argan oil on my baby's hair while I use this glow oil that I infuse on my baby's skin. So that is how I'm going to use it, like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and of course I'll try this out and tell me how it goes later. It is natural, it is safe, no side effects, no any reaction, no toxic chemical, nothing is toxic there. It's just pure herbal oil. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in my next video. Bye.